Today we are going to be making a cheesy chicken broccoli and unstuffed spaghetti squash bake. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be making that cheesy chicken bake that is sure to be put in your comfort food rotation. For this recipe, you will need 2 medium-large spaghetti squash, 2 large chicken breasts or 4 small breasts cut up into bite-sized pieces, 4 teaspoons olive oil, a half a cup finely chopped shallots. They're like onions but a little softer in flavor, 2 garlic cloves minced, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 diced up jalapeno, 4 cups broccoli florets, 2 ounces of cream cheese brought to room temperature, a half cup of chicken bone broth, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna insert just the tip. The amount of pepper that is in this from the red pepper flakes and the jalapeno, seriously guys, it's not overwhelming. It comes down to, hey, I need a little extra pepper on my plate tonight. To start this off, you're gonna need to prepare the spaghetti squash, so preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now guys, I know spaghetti squash is a little higher in carbs, but sometimes in our house we need a little comfort food. This is the easiest way to do this, and besides, I have a few tricks up my sleeve to make sure that I stay in ketosis. Next up, you are going to need a really sharp knife to cut the spaghetti squash in half. After they're cut, go ahead and scoop out the middle and discard all the seeds. Once the squash is cut, you're going to rub or spray the interior with oil and season it with salt and pepper. Place the halves cut side down on the baking sheet and roast it in the oven for approximately 40 minutes or until a knife can be inserted into the flesh without hesitation. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let the squash cool until it can be handled so you don't burn your digits off. Now here's another little tip. Flip the spaghetti squash over to release the extra heat so it doesn't keep cooking. Once it's cool, use a fork to scoop out the flesh in long strands and put them in a bowl. While the spaghetti squash is in the oven, baking to perfection, you're gonna go ahead and start preparing your chicken and broccoli concoction. Put the 2 teaspoons of olive oil in your nonstick skillet and bring it up to a temperature over medium-high heat. When the skillet is hot, add the chicken, season it with a little salt and pepper, and saute until it's cooked through. That's going to be about 8 minutes. Once the chicken is done, you're gonna remove it and put it in your casserole dish, leaving all of the juices in the pan for the next step. Over medium-high heat, you're now going to add the jalapeno, the shallot, the garlic, and red pepper flakes. Saute that for about a minute, and then go ahead and add the broccoli in. Let the broccoli steam for about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how well that you like it to be done. Once that's done, uncover it and add your chicken back in. Give that a nice quick stir, and then just let that heat through. Next up, you're gonna add in the cream cheese and the chicken bone broth and stir everything until smooth and the sauce starts to form. Add in half of the shredded cheese and stir until melted. Remove this from the heat and stir in the sour cream until it's combined and creamy. And then go ahead and cover it and let that simmer down. Almost there. So this is the last step that you'll need before being able to eat this amazing comfort food. You're going to put your cheesy chicken and broccoli over your spaghetti squash and then put that in the oven on high underneath your broiler just to melt the cheese. There you have it. It's all done, ready to be plated. You can either put this on a plate, in a bowl, whatever you feel most comfortable with, but definitely take it over to the couch, snuggle up, and get ready for some down-home comfort. If you like it, love it, you need to have more of it and all of these recipes, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share me out, guys. Everybody needs to know all about keto.